Hey everyone, let's dive into one of the most gripping political dramas of our time. The stakes are high, the players are powerful, and the outcome could reshape the political landscape for years to come. The US Supreme Court has yet to rule on whether presidents enjoy total criminal immunity. This is a question that has far-reaching implications, not just for the current political climate, but for the very fabric of American democracy. This delay is monumental, potentially barring former President Donald Trump from facing his federal election interference trial before the November elections. The timing of this decision is critical, as it could influence voter perceptions and the overall election outcome. Now imagine this: Trump, the presumed Republican presidential nominee for 2024, is already knee-deep in legal troubles. His legal battles are not just a side story, they are central to his campaign narrative and could either galvanize his base or alienate undecided voters. He's looking at a July sentencing in New York State for 34 felonies related to falsifying business records before the 2016 election. These charges alone could have significant repercussions, but the Supreme Court's pending decision adds another layer of complexity. Yet, the Supreme Court's pending decision could be the ultimate game changer. If the court rules in favor of presidential immunity, it could set a precedent that impacts future administrations and their accountability. On April 25th, the justices heard oral arguments on this case. The courtroom was filled with tension as both sides presented their arguments, knowing that the stakes couldn't be higher. But here's the kicker: they've been holding on to it since late February. This prolonged deliberation has left many wondering what the justices are waiting for and what factors are influencing their decision-making process. Critics, particularly on the left, are in an uproar, accusing the conservative justices, including 3 Trump appointees, of dragging their feet intentionally. They argue that this delay is not just a matter of judicial prudence but a calculated move to influence the political landscape. The claim is that this delay is a covert way to shield Trump from the courtroom until after the election. If true, this would be a significant manipulation of the judicial process for political gain. Michael Podhorzer, president of the Defending Democracy Project, argues this delay is essentially granting Trump immunity, regardless of the court's eventual decision. His perspective highlights the broader implications of this delay on the rule of law and democratic principles. And let's be real, the stakes couldn't be higher. This isn't just about one man or one election, it's about the integrity of the judicial system and its role in upholding democratic norms. By not taking up the case back in December, critics say the Supreme Court has indirectly influenced the political landscape. This delay has created a vacuum of uncertainty, allowing speculation and political maneuvering to fill the void. All proceedings at the lower court level are on ice until this ruling drops. This pause has significant implications for the legal process and for those seeking justice. This leaves us all wondering, will Trump face the music before November? Or will this delay give him a free pass to campaign without the cloud of a trial hanging over his head? The uncertainty adds a layer of drama to an already contentious election season. The implications of this delay are massive. It affects not just the immediate parties involved but also sets a precedent for how similar cases might be handled in the future. It's not just about Trump, it's about the broader implications for the rule of law and the balance of power between the branches of government. It's about how the highest court in the land navigates the thin line between law and politics. This case could redefine the boundaries of judicial intervention in political matters. So, as we edge closer to November, keep your eyes on the Supreme Court. Their decision, or lack thereof, could be a turning point in American political history. Their decision, or lack thereof, could shape the future of American democracy in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. The ripple effects of this ruling will be felt for years to come, influencing not just this election but the very nature of presidential accountability. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this unfolding saga. Catch you next time.